How to fix Telegram freezing lagging in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then search here Telegram. Now click on Telegram Messenger. Now here you can check your Telegram have any update, then update your Telegram. If your Telegram has an update, then here you can see the update option. After update your Telegram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find Telegram. Now click on Telegram. Now here you can offload your Telegram app and then reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.